Ready for your lesson? Let's go!
I check in my luggage. I check in my luggage. I go through security. I go through security. This is my boarding pass. This is my boarding pass. I'm looking for my seat. I'm looking for my seat. I fasten my seatbelt. I fasten my seat belt. Can I have some water, please? Can I have some water, please? Here is my passport. Here is my passport. I'm picking up my bag. I'm picking up my bag. Can you take me to this address? Can you take me to this address? I have a reservation. I have a reservation. What time is breakfast? What time is breakfast? This room is very nice. This room is very nice. Can I see the menu, please? Can I see the menu, please? I'll have this one, please. I'll have this one, please. Can I have the bill, please? Can I have the bill, please? Excuse me, where is the museum? Excuse me, where is the museum?
Keep going! You're doing great!
How do I get to the beach? How do I get to the beach? The beach is beautiful. The beach is beautiful. How much is this? How much is this? Do you accept credit cards? Do you accept credit cards? One ticket to the city centre, please. One ticket to the city centre, please. I need something for a headache. I need something for a headache. I had a wonderful trip. I had a wonderful trip.
That's all for today's lesson. If you learned something new, hit like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye!